Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dark mode if it's not showing. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead over to the top left. Maybe you have misconfigured it, or maybe you've passed through the settings, okay, and didn't notice it. So just go ahead and scroll down, and you'll find settings and privacy. Alright, so go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see dark mode in here. So what you'll do is just tap on dark mode and make sure that it is set to on. And then once done, you should be good to go. Now, if it's using your system settings right here and your system setting is set to light mode, well, it's going to use the light mode. All right. So let's go ahead and test it out. Go ahead over to settings right here. Go ahead and find your search bar. You can just type it down right here. Dark mode settings. Okay, you can tap on it, and then if it's set to light, just like so, go ahead and go back to your Facebook. As you can see, it's light as well. Now when you go ahead and close Facebook, keep it to dark, go ahead and reopen Facebook right here, and as you can see, it's set to dark. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook dark mode if it's not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.